Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vijayan studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. I am from the Department of Master of Computer Application MCA. Course name Database Management System, course ID MMC 103. In this video I am going to explain about Personal Finance Tracker. Personal Finance Tracker. A personal finance tracker in DBMS is a structured application that helps individuals manage their income, expenses, savings, and investments efficiently using a database. It ensures data integrity, security, and easy retrieval of financial records. Key features of Personal Finance Tracker. First one, user management. Allows multiple users to create accounts and track their finances separately. Income tracking stores detail about different income sources. Expense management categorizes and records expenses such as rent, groceries, bills, and entertainment. Savings and investments monitors savings, fixed deposits, stocks, and other investments. Transaction history keeps a detailed log of all financial transactions. ER diagram. An ER diagram is a visual representation of a database that shows entities, attributes, and relationship between them. It helps in database design and structure. This is the ER diagram of my topic. In this ER diagram, I used four entities, that is loan, EMI, account, user. For the loan, five attributes, that is loan number, loan type, loan amount, start date, end date. EMI entity. In this EMI entity, there are five attributes, that is EMI number, EMI amount, balance amount, start date, end date. Account entity. For account entity, there are five attributes, that is account number, balance, start date, end date, and account type. And last one, user entity. For this user entity, again there are five attributes, that is user ID, account number, phone number, email, name. Name having first name and last name. User having account. Account holds both loan and EMI. Create table for personal finance tracker. A personal finance tracker helps you manage income, expenses, and savings. In this topic, I used four tables, that is four entities. One is loan table, EMI table, account table, user table. Loan table. A loan table is designed to store and manage information related to loans issued by a financial institutions. Column name, data type, constraints. For For five attributes, I used data type and constraints. For loan number, data type is int, constraint is primary key. Loan amount, data type is the decimal, constraint is not null. For the loan type, data type is varchar. It is having multiple loan type. For that is the reason I have used varchar. Constraint is not null. Start date, date, end date also, data type is date, constraint not null. EMI table. An EMI table stores detail of loan repayments. For EMI entity, I have used column name, data type, constraint, that is EMI number. Data type is int, constraint is primary key. It is unique number, so that's why I used data type as int. EMI amount. Amount will be in decimal form, that's why I used data type as decimal. Constraints is not null. Balance amount. Amount is also balance amount also in decimal, so I have used data type as decimal. As well as start date and end date uses both the attribute as date as data type. Third one, account table. Account table tracks the accounts owned by users. For this account entity, I have used five attributes and column name data type constraint account number. I have used int. It is also uniquely identified, so that's why I used int as the data type. Account type, these also having different names, so I used varchar as a data type. The constraint is not null. Balance, it is also present in decimal format, so balance decimal format I use data type as decimal. Loan number will be int. I referred loan number from loan table, so this is the foreign key. EMI number I referred from EMI table, so it will convert it to foreign key. Fourth one, user table. User table stores information about the users of the system. For the user entity, I have used six attributes, that is user ID, name, email, password, phone number, account number. User ID having a unique number, so that's why I used int as a data type. Name will be in special character, not in special character. That is name will be in alphabet, so I used varchar as a data type. Email also present numbers also there, uh, alphabets also there, so I use it as a varchar as a data type for email. Password varchar, used used data type is varchar. Phone number int, it is only numbers will present, so that's why I used int as a data type. Account number, I referred this from account table, so it will convert it to foreign key. Before creating the table and inserting values, we have to follow the certain step. That is, first one, we have to connect the database to our current database. To build connection, we have to provide username and password. After giving username and password, it will show successfully connected. Query to create a database, that is create user. I have given a finance as a database name because I am doing personal finance tracker as my video assignment topic, so that's why I used finance as a database name. After giving database name, to grant all privileges to the database name, that is finance. Query for loan table, this is the query for loan table. I have inserted four values to the loan table. Loan number is 1, loan amount of 4,000, loan type, that is car loan, bank loan, personal loan, education loan. For this loan table, the output is like it will show like this, the output. And one more, query for EMI table. I have written query for the EMI table. EMI number int primary key means EMI number is uniquely identified, so that's why I used int as data type. EMI amount decimal, because EMI amount will be present in decimal format, so I have used data type as decimal. Balance amount also decimal as a data type. Start date and end date uses date as a data type. Inserting value data to the EMI table means I have given four values, uh, that is for EMI number, EMI amount, balance amount, start date and end date. The 101 is the EMI number that is uniquely identified, so that's why that is a primary key. This is 5,000 is the EMI amount, 2,000 is the balance amount of the EMI. 1 Jan 2025 is the start date, and 1 Jan 2026 is the end date to pay the EMI. Output of the EMI table is, it will show like this. And one more, account table. This is the query for account table, that is account number int primary key means int means it is a uniquely identified, so that's why I used int as a data type. Account type also means it will present numbers alphabet, so I used varchar as a data type. Balance means you all know, previously I explained, that is balance will present in decimal format, so that's why I used decimal as a data type. Loan number int references loan from loan number. This means I have used loan number in loan table. I have to carry for account table, means it will refer the loan number from the loan table. That's why it is a foreign key. EMI number also same, referred from EMI table. So that's why it is and EMI number referred from EMI table. Inserting value to the account table, that is first one is account number, account type, balance, loan number, EMI number. This is the account number, account type, loan amount, balance, loan number and EMI. These values are given in loan table as well as in EMI table. That's why same numbers will use here also. Otherwise it will won't connect the refer from the EMI and loan table. Four values I have inserted. The output of the account table is, if you given a query called query, that is select star from account, it will show the output like this. And last one, that is query for user table. Create table user ID is the primary key that is uniquely identified. That's why I given int as a data type. Name varchar, you all know, previously I am explaining again and again. This is a name is a varchar. Email also varchar. Password, it will present a number as well as alphabet, so that's why I have given varchar as a data type. Phone number varchar numbers, that is unique. Account number referred from the account table, that is foreign key, because account number referred from account table, that's why this is referred from account table. In this also I have given four values. 1001 is the user ID, Vijay is the name, vijay@gmail.com is the email, 1234 is the password, 1234 etc. is the phone number, and this number is the 49316313 is the account number. I refer from the account table in this user table. It will connect, otherwise it will won't work. If you give same number whatever you given in the account table, if you in this user table, if you given different number, means it will won't refer from the account table, it will show error. The output of the user table is like this, four values, that is 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, names as a Vijay, Dada, Bharat, Pawan. Email also gmail.com, dada@gmail.com, bharat@gmail.com, pawan@gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.